Welcome back to Fiacture Car Update. Today we're diving into something that pickup truck fans in the USA have been quietly waiting for, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max 4-door, a truck that arrives with a strong reputation from global markets and now carries a fresh presence designed to challenge the midsize pickup segment in a bold way. From the first glance, the 2026 D-Max feels tougher, wider, and more confident than before, with a redesigned front grille that looks aggressive without going over the top, sharp LED lighting, and a body stance that instantly signals durability and work-ready strength. As we move around the truck, the four-door configuration clearly targets families, adventurers, and professionals who need space without sacrificing capability. The wheel arches are muscular, the side profile is clean and modern, and the rear bed is built to handle serious loads, whether you're hauling equipment, towing a trailer, or heading out for a weekend escape. Isuzu's reputation for reliability is deeply embedded in this design, and the 2026 model feels like a refined evolution rather than a risky redesign. Inside the cabin is where the biggest surprise waits. The 2026 Isuzu D-Max 4-door steps up its interior game for the US market, offering a more premium feel while keeping everything practical. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports modern connectivity features, smooth smartphone integration, and intuitive controls. The seats are designed for long drives, offering improved comfort and support, while the rear seating area provides enough legroom to keep passengers relaxed even on extended journeys. Under the hood, Isuzu is expected to offer a powerful yet efficient engine lineup tailored for US expectations. While exact specifications remain under wraps, the focus is clearly on strong torque delivery, smooth highway performance, and dependable off-road capability. This truck isn't just about raw power, it's about balance, combining fuel efficiency with the muscle needed for towing, payload, and rugged terrain. Advanced suspension tuning helps the D-Max feel stable on highways while remaining confident on rough roads and trails. Safety and technology play a major role in the 2026 update. The D-Max is expected to come equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane support systems, blind spot monitoring, and enhanced braking technologies. These features make daily driving easier and safer, especially for drivers who use their truck both for work and family duties. The addition of multiple drive modes allows the driver to adapt the truck to different conditions, from city streets to off-road adventures. What truly sets the 2026 Isuzu D-Max 4-door apart in the USA is its quiet confidence. It doesn't rely on flashy branding or exaggerated styling. Instead, it focuses on proven engineering, long-term reliability, and real-world usability. This is a truck built for people who value strength, comfort, and trust over hype. Whether you're a contractor, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone looking for a dependable daily driver with muscle, the D-Max fits naturally into that lifestyle. As anticipation grows, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max 4-door positions itself as a serious alternative to established midsize pickups in the US market. It brings global toughness, refined comfort,